Dubai is a popular travel destination known for its luxury shopping, towering skyscrapers, and extravagant attractions. However, it's also possible to enjoy a vacation in Dubai without breaking the bank. In this video, I'll give you tips that will make you want to book a vacation to Dubai right away. Travel during the off-season. The high season in Dubai is from November to March, which means the hotels and flights can be more expensive during this time. Consider traveling during the low season from April to October, where the prices are usually lower. Book your flights and accommodation early. Booking your flights and accommodation in advance can save you money. Look for deals on flights and hotels and consider staying in a budget hotel. Dubai has an extensive public transportation systems that includes buses, metros and trams. Using public transportation is a cost-effective way to get around the city and explore its attractions. Eat at local restaurants. Eating at local restaurants instead of tourist hotspots can save you money. Dubai has a variety of restaurants serving traditional Middle Eastern cuisine at affordable prices. Visit free attractions. Dubai has several free attractions that are worth visiting, including the Dubai Fountain, Dubai Miracle Garden, and the Jumeirah Beach. Shop at local markets. Instead of shopping at luxury malls, consider visiting the local markets like the Dubai Gold Souk and the Dubai Spice Souk. Here you can find souvenirs, spices and jewelry at reasonable prices. By following these tips, you can enjoy a budget-friendly vacation in Dubai without sacrificing the quality of your experience. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned. I hope the content which we throw at you would be useful for you and plan your Dubai vacation in just 50,000. What are you waiting for? This is the opportunity for you to visit Dubai and unwrap the world with Pick Your Trail to enjoy a hassle-free holiday. Check out the description for Dubai tour packages link.